Thank you, man. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm not sure if this is going to be a video or not. It's probably going to be too short to make into a video, but I don't know, I might use it, so figured why not film. Back in the day when I first started filming, I used to like never take my camera with me, or like I would take it, but I'm like, nah, this is not interesting enough, so I wouldn't like film or do anything. And then stuff ends up happening and I'm like, dang it, I should have filmed. So now I just film like as much as I can, and if it's too boring or whatever, then I just scrap the video. But pretty much what we're doing today is that we're actually going to do a photo shoot with the V4R. I actually was planning to take the H2, but I realized I was making a reel on Instagram today, and I realized that I have 0 professional pictures of the V4R. Now I've kept kind of like pushing it back, like not wanting to do or take professional pictures, mainly because I'm getting like a bunch of other parts and I kind of want the bike to be complete before I do the shoots and stuff like that. But I still have like 0 pictures, so I was like, you know what, I'll get like a before and after, like see the bike right now, it still looked good, and then when I get the remaining of the parts, maybe I'll do another photo shoot in the future or something like that. So yeah, decided to take the V4R. I did not want to take the Aprilia because I already had like, I have a couple of pictures, and I don't know, I feel like I've been riding the Aprilia a lot, so I wanted to switch it up. And also the S1000 looks too like basic in stock right now. I only have like what, three parts on it, and the H2 I actually have like the most pictures of. And I thought about taking the R1M, but then I was like, I don't know, just because I don't have any professional pictures with this bike, that's why I decided to take the V4. This bike is not having fun. It's like, what are you doing to me? I'm getting hot. Yo. I just want to go around the cones and mess around now. I don't think I've ever been here. Yeah, this is really cool. I just want to race down here. Thank you.
It's funny because I shot the V4S yesterday that had all the carbon bits on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting on. I have the entire side fairing is coming in carbon.
Yeah.
And that's coming next week, hopefully.
Are you gonna do the belly pan swap
to the newer model? Yeah. So whenever they come out with that, then that's the plan. Yeah, but the side carbon piece, I got it custom painted too, so it's gonna be carbon and red.
So it's the vent, or is it like the winglet, or is it the entire panel?
No, the entire panel.
Oh, damn, okay.
Yeah, so literally all the way from here to here.
So it's gonna be painted full red, or just
no, so right here where it's black, that's gonna be carbon. Up here is gonna be carbon. There's gonna be a line from here connecting to the bottom in carbon. So
yeah, we'll see some more photos once you get that done.
yeah, that's why I never I realized today I was making a reel and I was like, hold on, I don't have any like professional pictures of this bike.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of guys who have nice bikes who don't really, because
Yeah.
people shoot cars. I feel like the bike thing's kind of
Yeah.
at this point.
Yeah, kinda. I have like pictures of all my other bikes besides the BMW. That one is kind of eh. but
I feel the same way. Cool bike, but not my thing.
yeah, literally. I'm still like shocked about the spot.
Yeah, I mean, before. How do you like that helmet?
Huh?
How do you like the helmet?
It's not bad. It's in comparison to, what do you have?
I've always had AGVs.
So AGV is always like, it's obviously a better helmet. I want to say that too. But comfort wise, this one's by far better. Yeah, I have literally right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I have like yeah. So yeah, when I'm going fast and all that, it's just,
My helmet is lifting off my head. I'm like, bro.
yeah, literally. As soon as you hit past a certain level. That's it. I don't want to get kicked out. This spot is so cool. Going around exploring because I've never been around here and it's such a cool spot. It's so nice today. It's like all chilly and all, but like just barely. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was just fun messing around and all. Nothing eventful. I still don't know if I'm gonna use this, if it's long enough to be a video or not. But yeah, thank you so much for the support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Please drop a like and subscribe and share. Hopefully I'll add the pictures that he took in this video too. Peace out and ride safe.